What are you doing, Sam?
Backhoe.
You're working with your backhoe? Are you making a movie? Yeah.
Uh-oh.
What's uh-oh? Under? What's under?
Anna.
You went under the plant? What kind of plant is that, Sam?
Gabby.
A strawberry plant. Who's that over there helping you on the ground?
No.
Is that Mama's ma?
Backhoe.
And your backhoe? And who's here hanging out with you today, Sam?
Gabby, Mike.
Grandpy Mike! That's right.
No, Dada.
Not Dada. Where's Dada, Sam?
Kitty.
At Frisbee. Are you working hard, Sam?
And Gabby up there.
Yeah. What are you doing? You're putting the
Gabby up
you're putting the dirt in the big dump truck. That's right.
there.
And who brought you that backhoe?
Gabby, Mike.
Grandpy Mike! Yay, Grandpy Mike. Are you done making a movie, Sam? No, you want me to keep filming? You getting out some weeds there?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. You're a hard worker, huh, Sam?
And Gabby up there.
Yeah, you're gonna put the dirt in the big dump truck?
No.
No, the weeds?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey, Sam, how do you spell your name?
Um.
Good job. How do you spell mama? How about dada? You bet.
Gabby, Mike.
How do you spell Grandpy Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good question, huh? Okay, time to stop making the movie. Say bye-bye, Sam.
No.
No? Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, movie.
No.
No.
That movie.
More movie? This is going to be a long movie, Sam.
That movie.
I don't know if the iPod can take this.
This is not movie.
Yeah, you think we should make more movies?
Yeah.
Okay. Here comes Lucy to be part of your movie. Hi, Lucy.
Backhoe.
Do you think Lucy wants to play with your backhoe?
No.
No, that's silly.
Need up backhoe. Go Gabby, Mike.
You're going to go over to Grandpy Mike with it?